everyone, my name is Alex Yorke and I lead product development for the Starling. I work here in Menlo Park, California, which is right down the road from Stanford University, where I graduated in 2015. At Stanford, I studied computer science and psychology and specifically focused a lot on early childhood development. And when I was graduating from college and came across Versame, I was so excited to see how innovative Versame was being in creating the Starling that I knew I had to join. So I've been with the company for 3 years now, and it's been so exciting for me to see the evolution of the Starling from it being just a prototype of the device to now manufacturing thousands of devices and building all of these amazing new features across multiple platforms. So I work with our engineering team day to day, building all the awesome features that you all see in your Starling experience. But the great thing about working at a small startup is that I get to do a lot of different things as well, whether that's talking to you all in our community or working with some of our organizational partners. I've loved being able to, over the past 3 years, see all of the different aspects that go into building the Starling and help keep Versame running. So I'm super excited today to be talking to you because we actually had a big release last night. And one of the biggest features that we launched is called Starling Labs. And so now you can access Starling Labs in your main Starling app by clicking on the menu bar and clicking the menu item called Starling Labs in the main menu. What is Starling Labs? So Starling Labs is actually a new portal for you to see all the features that we're working on that are early and still in development. We're constantly thinking about new ideas and new features that we want to add to the Starling experience, but sometimes we want to get users' feedback on them first before we put them into prime time for everyone to see. So that's why we created Starling Labs. It's actually a place for you all to test and try out the new features that are in development. There are a few exciting new features in Starling Labs right now. One of the first ones is sleep tracking. So now you can track your child's wake up, bedtime, and total sleep duration so you can track your child's sleep routines and look at their sleep patterns over time. And we recommend that you leave your Starling charging dock in your child's room, maybe on a bedside table next to their bed or crib, and charge your Starling overnight. That way you can get into the routine of putting the Starling on your child every morning when they wake up and you're getting them dressed, but that also gives us some of the best chance at analyzing your child's sleep data. So that overnight, while your Starling is in your child's room, we can analyze the noise environment in that room to try to analyze your child's sleep. One of the other features we have in Starling Labs is the quality words features. So while some children wear their Starlings every day, we know that sometimes it might get left on the kitchen counter or in the car, or maybe it's just left in your child's room longer than expected. And so what the quality words feature is therefore, it's for us to actually try to just count those words that we think are actively being spoken to while your child is actually wearing the Starling. The other feature that's in Starling Labs right now is light sensor data. It's so important for children to be outside and exposed to sunlight, so that's why we are sharing the amount of light that your child is exposed to in Starling Labs as well. So we're so excited about these new features, but even more so, we're excited to hear from you. We want to know what you think about them, whether they can be improved, whether you like them, dislike them, whether you have questions on them, etc. And so we actually have a fun challenge for you all. From now until the end of the month, if you post either a question or comment, concern, any piece of feedback about a Starling Labs feature, you will be eligible to win a $50 Amazon gift card. Now, the way you post feedback is if you click on Starling Labs, there's a big button at the top of the screen that says feedback. So you'll click that button and it'll bring you straight to the lab section in the Starling community where you'll be able to post your feedback there. And remember, if you post now, you'll be eligible to win a $50 Amazon gift card. So we're so excited to hear from you. I'm so happy I got to talk to you all today. We can't wait to hear what you think about this feature and all the new ones coming in the future. Thanks!